Here's an interesting thing. People spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to improve the outside of their being. They spend it on clothes, they spend it on cosmetic surgery, they spend it on the hairstylist, they spend it on anything. Anything. Do you know how much money is spent on improving the inside? Well, it's less than 1%. It's absolutely amazing. If you look at what is spent on, Black Friday after Thanksgiving and other major holidays, it's humongous. And there is hardly any money spent on improving oneself. And it doesn't surprise me then that so many people are so unhappy. When you look around, next time you go shopping, look around, look at the faces of most people. You will see that 9 out of 10 people look so unhappy. And I go like, wow, there is so much you can do. There is so much easy help for self-improvement. Because let me tell you this, when you start to improve yourself, when you start to improve your situation, you feel happier from the inside out. It's as simple as that. You just get this sense of being. You get this sense of making your life meaningful, helping others, sharing what you've learned, how you've grown. So many books are available. Just go to the library. Look online, look at YouTube, look at downloads. Of course, you got to know first where to start. And that's a challenge, I can imagine. But just go to a bookstore and the library and look in self-improvement. Titles will pop out, books will sort of literally jump from the shelf at you. And just pick one up that appeals to you and start to read it. And if you like it, great. And if you don't like it, put it back, find another one. And then once you get into that, then you will start to discover that there are many, many authors who have written fantastic books about self-improvement. And one of my first mentors was Napoleon Hill. And years after that, it became Bob Proctor. I learned a lot of Bob Proctor, and he shared a lot of incredible knowledge. And he also pointed out what other fantastic mentors he had, authors who had either written books or who he had met in person. And so I learned a lot from him. And as I was training with him, I started my library of self-improvement. Anybody can do that. Anybody who has a burning desire to move ahead in life can do that. I've written a little bit down here in the blog about some of the famous books I would suggest to start with. As a Man Thinketh in His Heart, As a Man Thinketh from James Allen. Phenomenal book. An easy read, Awaken the Giant Within from Tony Robbins. I read that, I don't know, years ago. I unfortunately lost the book somehow in one of my many moves around the globe. Books from Bob Proctor, You Were Born Rich. Start somewhere. Start improving your life. Trust me, when you start to do that, and of course you have to buy Think and Grow Rich. That's just, beyond any kind of question. You don't have to buy it. You can also download it. And I suggest again that you come onto the morning call where there's an average of 300 people who are all looking to improve their life. If you're not happy and you don't know where to start, or you have an idea where to start, but you feel alone, come onto the call. We're all helping each other. We're supporting each other. Start reading some books. We discussed the Think and Grow Rich. There are so many other books that you can read as well. Just go for it. Because I know from experience that through reading the books, you get a totally different look on life. You start to feel better. You want more, you want more, you want more. You simply get addicted to self-improvement. And it's so exciting. And you will meet the right people on your path. It's very exciting. So I like to suggest for the overall glow in your life, do something on self-improvement. And if you are, keep going. Just keep going and help others discover also what's possible, because you are a limitless person. So I wish you all the luck. And if there's anything I can do to help you, do not hesitate. Email me. I'm here. If I can help you, I definitely will. Good luck.